pressure side. And low pressure side back here. Come on now. Let's back these off. Make it easier to pop it on there. There we go. Okay. You know what? I left the freaking nitrogen tank open. But it's holding. It is not going down at all. So let's crank down and see if we got enough. We don't have enough. Yeah, we do. There's enough in there. Barely. Alright, we're at 100 on both sides. I'm not going to go any higher on the low side. Let's try the high side. Uh-oh. Yep, that's all she's got. I'm going to have to fill the tank up again. Tank is empty. It's holding. Alright, so let's pop it off. We'll close these up. We'll close up both the service ports, pop them off, and then we'll come back and check it about 10 minutes and see how much pressure there is. The tank's closed. That's the regulator purging. See how much pressure is still in the system shortly. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check and see what we got for pressure. Let's open these up. Open, let's see what we got on high side. Whoops. I just let some of it out because I forgot to seal up the end that was on the nitrogen tank. Oops. We don't want it to come out. Well, there's still pressure in there, so. Alright, open. Stop twisting around. Stay. Now what? This thing didn't seal? What is going on here? There's a washer, seal in there. Yeah, it's holding pressure. I mean, that little bit is what I let out of it accidentally. I see we're good. We'll try to pull a vacuum on it now. some from it. Both sides are negative. Now we just gotta wait for that to start showing numbers and dropping. There it goes. 9,000 microns and dropping. Got it down to around 1250. It's slowly creeping. I don't think it's going to go much lower than that. That ought to be good enough though for this AC system. I like to get it below 8, but I don't think it's going to make it without another probably 2 or 3 hours of vacuum. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it, and we'll see how long the charge lasts, and see if there's a leak somewhere else. But it held pressure okay, so I think we're fine. And we'll shut off all the valves. We'll hook up a can and so let the refrigerant flow in. I've got to change the gauge out, so I'm going to disconnect the system, the gauges from that, and then hook up my AC gauges. Let it suck it in. It's a little high, but just start the car. We'll close the can, and then we'll check it, let it run a minute, compress it, get it cycling, and then we'll let a little more in.